Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. We're a little bit before the equity close here, and we're all anxiously awaiting the Apple earnings. Nasdaq's already telling me they're probably not going to be that good. You got a big outside day bearish close in the Nasdaq, and the Nasdaq had made new highs, and now we're back below the old highs from back in May. That, to me, is not a positive chart. I think that might be the top of a third wave. We'll see. Back to the bonds. Notes. Right? We caught the sell-off last night nicely. Covered near the lows. Most of the short, not all of it. Got stopped out of the rest, but that was okay. Now I'm kind of leaning towards the upside because we didn't break out of that rising wedge yet. The trend line in the bonds was 134.17 area. I think the low was what, 134.20 something? I can't even remember. But we didn't break out. You know where your stop's got to be, that rising wedge or that rising trend line off of the lows. On the upside, are we going to do 7 waves up? I wouldn't be surprised. Maybe just a retest of the recent highs at 136 even area. But on the upside, I'm hoping our friends in Asia and Europe that have been selling the markets off a little bit overnight, mostly in Europe, not so much in Asia. I'm hoping they hit the bonds a little bit tonight, take them back down. I'm not looking for a lot of sell-off tonight, maybe a 135 even area, 134.28. I want to try a small long down there. Just partially because this correction has not gone on long enough yet. It has been, what, I think today's day 13 since we put the lows in. But, considering that the market has been in this pretty powerful bearish move down since the beginning of May, I think the market needs a little bit more sideways to higher time. It's going to be choppy. It's going to be tough. Make sure you have good stops, and don't look for a home run here. If it gets back up around 135.25 area, pitch them. And don't look for, a retest of 136 even or even a higher high as, take what the market can give you here at this point, I think. Again, the volumes today picked up a little bit, but they're still really light. That's another thing pointing me towards this idea that we're still in this corrective phase. Again, you know where you're wrong. If we take out the support trend line, for sure you're wrong, and obviously that's quite a ways away from here at this point, but you know where to keep your stops for the bigger picture trades. Alright guys, sounds good. Have a great night. Thank you.